We are going to be knowing the different kinds of food in Igbo language, not food stuff. I'll still come back for food stuff. This one is normal food, what we call it in Igbo language. Then we have rice. Rice is called usikapa in Igbo language. We call it usikapa. Then we have beans. Beans is being called agua. Then we have plantain. Plantain we call it okom. I don't know whether it's general Igbo, but that's what we call it in my own dialect, okom. Then we have cocoyam. Cocoyam is being called ebi. We have water yam. Water yam we call it mbala. I don't know whether that is what they call it generally. Then we have yam. Yam is being called ji. Then we have vegetable. Vegetable is being called ogo. We have corn, or you call it maize. We call it oka. Then we have this thing, three leaves yam. Three leaves yam we call it ona. So these are the food that we have like in Nigeria and the meaning in Igbo language. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.